everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a first impression slash tutorial on the Huda Beauty new nude palette. I just got this in the mail yesterday. If you haven't seen the arm swatches I did, I will put them in the description and I'll put them in the cards somewhere up here. But yeah, if you guys want to see the look I come up with, then just keep watching. When I first saw this palette, I was like, you know, I don't know if I need it. But the more that I saw swatches and people doing looks, I was like, okay, I do need this. It's so pretty. And honestly, it's shades that I don't really have in just one singular palette. And the metallic shimmery crystal shades or whatever are so unique. If you guys saw the swatch video I did, oh my god, they're beautiful. I'm excited to try this. I hope that they applied just as well as they did to the eyes. The only shade that I had problems swatching was, I think, Love Bite. Love Bite, which is the matte purple. It needed to be swatched a few extra times, so I'll probably try to use that on my lower lash line just to see how it works. Okay, so the first shade I'm gonna go in with is Play, which is right there. There's quite a bit of kick up, just so you're aware. I'm gonna start that on the outer corner and just blend into the crease. This is a really pretty transition shade. I'm going to take my JH35 and I'm just going to try to build up this color into the crease. Just a little bit more. There we go. Just because while this is more of a transitional shade, I want it to be a little bit more pigmented. Okay, I'm going to take my JH30, which is just this big ass blending brush, and with no product on there, I'm just going to blend out the edges. I have no idea what type of look I'm going to do yet, so we're just going to play it by ear. Going back in with my JH33, I am going to... I can't decide if I want to do a purple base look or a pinky brown look. I think I'm going to do purple though, because purple is my favorite color. So I'm going to go into the shade Lace right here, which is this really pretty light toned purple. There's a bit of kick up. There's a dot that comes off on the brush, so let's see. Okay, that is a gorgeous color. That's pretty. Yes, honey, that is pretty. Okay. I am gonna just pack this on the outer half of my lid and up into the crease. The star of the show for this look is gonna be probably two of the crystal shades because I want to see how they perform on the eye. Once again, with my GH30, I'm gonna just blend that out. So far, I'm really loving how this is turning out. Like, I love that you can just do such a soft look, or if you want, you can darken it up and do a very sultry look. I definitely think this is going to be a staple in lots of people's collection. Okay, everything is blending so seamlessly. I'm obsessed. Oh my god. To darken up the look, I'm going to take the shade Spanked, which is that shade right there. Just taking that on my JH33. Oh wow, that is pretty. Pretty and pigmented. My two favorite things ever. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. Oh, I'm in love. I'm truly in love. I'm taking a little bit more of Lace and blending that onto the center of the lid and blending it into Spanked. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I'm obsessed. I'm just gonna take my JH34 and just blend that the tiniest bit into the crease. That is so pretty. And then I'm just gonna blend this out. Everything's blending so well. I could use one brush and everything would blend perfectly. I'm gonna do the tiniest cut crease. And I'm gonna take the concealer shade, which is already getting dirty, so there's that. And I'm just gonna put that. Now for the star of the show, I think I'm gonna go into Daydream and Fantasy. And I'm just gonna do this with a brush, not damped, and we're gonna see how that goes. We're gonna go in with a finger. Yeah. I would definitely say that a finger is, oh my god. Do you see how wet that is? Oh my god. Yeah, I'm definitely going with your finger. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna go do the other eye and I'll be right back.